Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a group email in Pipedrive. If you want to send a group email inside Pipedrive without wasting time switching between tools, here's a quick and clear way to do it in just a few minutes. Start by opening Pipedrive and going straight to the Contacts section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your people and organizations are stored. Before doing anything else, quickly scan or use the search bar to make sure you're working with the right set of contacts. Having a clear purpose at this stage helps a lot, whether you're sending an update, a reminder, or a follow-up after a meeting or event. Once you're ready, begin selecting the contacts you want to email. Tick the checkboxes next to each person carefully. Only include those who are actually relevant to your message, since this keeps your communication targeted and professional.
After selecting your recipients, move to the top of the contact list and click on the option that says Send Group Email. This allows you to create one message that gets delivered individually to everyone you selected, all without leaving Pipedrive. Now you'll enter the email editor. You can write your message from scratch or choose a pre-saved template if you already have one. Make sure your subject line is simple but clear, and start your email with a natural greeting. If your template supports personalization, you can insert details like the recipient's first name, so each email feels more direct and personal, even though it's sent in bulk. Keep your message short, focused, and easy to understand. Make it obvious what you want the recipient to do next, whether that's replying, clicking a link, or reviewing an update. You can also attach files or include links if needed.
Before sending, take a moment to proofread everything. Check for spelling, tone, and make sure any placeholders or personalization fields are displaying correctly. Once everything looks good, hit send. Your email will go out individually to all selected contacts, and you can track it directly inside Pipedrive alongside your other activities. That's it. Select your contacts, send group email, write or choose a template, and send. A simple workflow that keeps your communication fast, organized, and professional inside Pipedrive. All right, that's everything for today's video. I hope this helped you and made things a lot easier. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you've got any questions or want me to cover something specific next, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.